cucumber and chicken soup is not just for sweet taste and fragrance. The old cucumber is sweet and has the benefit of reducing body heat. We boil this soup to flush out toxins and keep the body cool. The ingredients are 680 grams of half chicken, 550 grams of old cucumber, 180 grams of carrots, 2 inches nub of ginger cut into slices, 2 pieces of honey dates, 4 pieces of dry scallop, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 pieces of red dates, and 3 liters of water. First, we are blanching the chicken. Heat the pot and put in the chicken. Add 1 liter of water, or just enough for the chicken to submerge in the water. Put in half of the ginger slices. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. This will take around 5 minutes. While waiting for the chicken, we are going to cut the old cucumber. This old cucumber has been washed and we will not remove the skin. Cut it into half and cut into half again. Use a teaspoon to remove the seeds. Once done, we are going to give it a rinse. Now we can cut it. I'm cutting it into medium-sized pieces. Alright, the old cucumber is ready and I will put it aside. Just on time, the water is boiling. The bottom side of the chicken should be okay now. I'm going to flip it for this side to be cooked evenly. Alright, the chicken is blanched. Switch off the heat and remove the chicken from the pot. All the ingredients are ready. Let's cook. Today I will be using slow cooker to cook the soup. Put in the blanched chicken, all of the carrots, dry scallop, red dates, honey dates, the rest of the ginger, the old cucumber, salt, and 2 liters of water. Give it a stir. Cover the lid and switch on the slow cooker. Set the temperature to high setting. This will bring the soup to a boil in 2 hours. After 2 hours, the soup has reached the boiling stage. Look at that. The soup looks so good. I'm giving it a bit of stir to rotate the ingredients in the pot. Cover the pot. Now I'm setting the temperature to auto for 2 hours to slowly cook the soup. Alright, after 2 hours, this soup has been in the slow cooker for 4 hours. See how it looks. So perfect. The soup is very clear and fragrant. The chicken is so tender and almost all of the cucumber has melted. Now, I can give it a taste. The soup is very sweet with all the natural sweetness from cucumber, carrots, and the dates. The chicken and scallop essence has contributed so much to the flavor of this soup. Such a lovely soup. Normally, we don't eat the ingredients from this soup because all the taste has been extracted. So the chicken will not have taste. It is optional if you want to eat it. I will just leave it in here and serve it together with the soup. Thank you for watching. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Subscribe for more simple home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye-bye.